Sourcing products for dropshipping involves finding reliable suppliers who can fulfill customer orders without holding inventory. Here's how to effectively source products for dropshipping. Choose a niche. Start by selecting a profitable niche based on market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, Shopify, or competitor analysis to identify trending products with high demand and low competition. Find reliable suppliers. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, Salehu, or S-Pocket to find suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Check reviews, ratings, and product feedback to ensure suppliers are reputable. Look for fast shipping options and high-quality products. Evaluate product quality. Order samples from suppliers to inspect the quality before committing to bulk orders. Ensure products meet customer expectations in terms of quality, packaging, and shipping timelines. Integrate with e-commerce platforms. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to integrate your dropshipping store with suppliers. Tools like Oberlo or S-Pocket allow easy automation of product import and order fulfillment. Negotiate pricing and shipping. Negotiate with suppliers for competitive pricing, especially for bulk orders. Ensure efficient shipping methods and reasonable delivery times to meet customer expectations. Monitor supplier performance. Track supplier performance by assessing customer feedback, shipping speed, and order accuracy. Develop relationships with trustworthy suppliers for long-term partnerships. Scale your dropshipping business. As you gain experience and establish relationships with reliable suppliers, you can scale your dropshipping business by adding more products and optimizing logistics.